Welcome back to 5 Acre Farms. I'm Luke.
I'm Caitlin.
You guys are all of our chicken people, and we made it. We made it 1 year. This is where it all started. The very first video, standing right here in front of our little farmhouse on our beautiful 5 acres. We're just winging it. And it's crazy to think we've hit 40,000 subs in 1 year, but kind of want to do a remembrance video here of what all we accomplished in the last year. So hopefully you guys can enjoy some of these clips from all the videos that we've put out. I don't know how many videos it is, 100?
A lot.
We were doing 3 videos a week for most of the entire year, all but a couple months during hunting season.
Yep.
So we put out a ton of videos just for you guys, and a lot of you guys found us from all different kinds of videos or all different topics. So we just want to say thank you, but let's roll the clip here on a little bit of flashback from all of our previous videos.
So today's video sponsor is Rainpoint, and we're going to talk about the indoor auto drip irrigation kit. So everything that you need comes in this box. It is fantastic. I have it set up here on some of my indoor plants. So it's just this little device, very easy to set up. I was thoroughly impressed with how easy it was. So the dial here, it just tells you, like if you turn it, it will let you select how long or how often you want it to water. So you can select your days, your hours, anything like that. There's also lots of other features on here. You can have a delay. So if you need to delay it for several hours or days, you can do that. Like if you're going to be gone for some reason, if you don't want to turn it off. I just have a little bucket down here, and it has this little pump in it. And the cool thing about this is when the bucket runs out of water, it'll automatically turn off the system. So it's not constantly running the pump without water, which is great because I will probably forget to fill that every now and then. But you can just set up your line with whatever plants you want. So right here, I just have it capped off at the end. So that's what this little guy is. And then this is where the water comes out. So you can just put it into your root wherever you want. Put it in there. So it can water the monstera good. You can set up each plant to drip for a different amount of time. It comes with lots of extra drip systems, and then all of these little splices where if you want to do, multiple lines out of one area you can, or like I have the little T going on, and then you can get, all your extra tubing. So fantastic. Definitely check it out if you have home plants, because if you're like me, you forget to water these guys, and sometimes they start looking a little sad. So this is going to be a great addition to our farm. Make sure you join the Rainpoint community with this QR code.
You guys have stayed with us through the duck videos, and you guys have stayed with us through all the bee videos and swarm trapping videos. But look at this swarm of bees moving in. Bee swarms are pretty chill, but I'm gonna grab my jacket here. I am completely surrounded by bees. Gonna insert this little clip here. We got a call yesterday of a swarm that had moved into this bench. There's a little bit of a lip there that the bees moved in. We came last night, opened the lid, and there was about 3,000 or 4,000 bees. So we got them all moved over to this Pro Nuke last night. We're gonna pause the video here because there's a car coming, so I'm gonna turn my light off so we don't have anybody coming by asking questions while we're 10 feet up in a tree grabbing boxes right off the highway. So we'll be right back after these commercials. And you guys were with us when we built the little Temu coop. There you have it, guys.
And when we moved pullets, sex links into the old pigeon coop.
The sex link is an auto-sexing chicken at day old, which means you can, by their feather color, you can tell if they're male or female. I'll do a whole video some other time how we make sex links, but probably next month's auction, I'll probably take most of these roosters to the auction because no sense keeping the roosters. So this is what a black sex link male looks like. Looks like a barred rock. When they're chicks, they have the white dot on their head. This is a female black sex link. It's gonna be all black without a dot on its head. So this is a pullet.
And you guys were with us when Caitlin and her dad planted a bunch of starters in the greenhouse.
So here's our mixture. So we're gonna still use peat moss or cocoa core, whatever you wish. All right, again, we use peat moss, but cocoa core, and that's how it's. Okay, so you see that? Look at that beautiful root system already. That's just starter soil. Once we get to this good stuff, boy, they're gonna take off. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that down in the bottom, about like that. And then my plant's gonna go in there, and then we're gonna put some more in. I'm gonna put just a little more in, so I get my plant up.
And you guys have been with us, putting together hen gear boxes, installing hen gear boxes, collecting eggs, and so has hen gear. Hen gear's been with us.
You guys need to calm down. Cool it. Just be thankful I give you anything at all. It was a good idea at the time.
Say this in other videos. You gotta do what you can do with what you have when you have it. And that's what we did.
Buy once, cry once. Just buy it from the beginning.
And you guys were also with us when we put together the Temu pen. You were even with me when I installed this chicken coop door.
Here, we got some 3-inch screws because we're gonna try to hit a stud here. We're not trying to hit me, I'm not trying to hit myself.
Oh. And some of you OGs were also with us when we cut nuts off of pigs. You were with us when we hit our first viral video of 4,000 views, where we went shed hunting. More to come this year.
There's one right over there. But I'm gonna sneak in here and grab it before Jake comes. It's a good one. Got it out. It's pretty good. So whenever you find a big one like this, you just want to check the area to make sure that they didn't lose the other side. Because usually when one drops and they're bigger like this, they don't like the weight like being off-centered on their head, so they shake to get the other one off. But I looked around in there and I couldn't find anything, so I guess just the one for now. So we shall carry on.
Cruise up this draw and see if we can't find some more. Well, Jake and I did all the work on the draw, and the boss is over here hogging all the antlers.
Unfortunately, you guys were with us when the barn Band-Aid company came in and patched the barn after a big windstorm. And yes, we still have the Foghorn Express. Don't look at her. Foghorn Express. You guys were there with us when we got that. We still got to do stuff to it. And we got the old Dodge back here. We got running, so a little more work to come on that. But you guys will be here with us.
It's got to open more than that.
We could only hope. Let me see.
Yeah.
Delish.
Yeah. Smells like freedom, doesn't it?
Not quite. It smells like my grandma's house. Like,
It's trying a little harder. That way, yeah. No brakes. I think the emergency brake kind of gave me a little juice, little stiffness, but she's on.
And you guys have been with us for all of our quail content. A lot of you guys found us from the quail and love the quail. So, more quail to come. A lot more quail to come.
Waters would freeze and it just turned into a nightmare. So this way, we can have the waters on the outside, we can pull them off, fill them up. As for feeders, quail waste way more feed than they actually eat. So we started using what's called a shoebox style feeder. This is what most people use. Just have a lid. You can see where they can stick their head in there and eat the feed. Because, and you'll see their vent back here. I don't want to squeeze too hard, but get rid of some of that. So if you squeeze on it, and white foam comes out, then it's a male. That's a female because nothing's coming out. So let me see if I can't find a male real quick. So this is a male. Again, we're gonna grab index finger, middle finger, and once they're mature enough, all you gotta do is grab the base of their tail, pull it back, and just barely squeeze, and you see all that white foam come out? That's the male juices.
And you guys were with us when we built these awesome brooders for the brooder room. And then flip the whole unit over. So that's the game plan. We're gonna run with it. You guys have been with us for all of our incubator reviews, and trust me, there's more to come. We probably did 8, 9 incubator reviews, so thank you guys for finding us. We got more to come.
We had one hatch. The Temu incubator hatched a chick. $14. I don't know how many of these are fertile and developed, but I know one is hatched. So we're gonna open this up, and I'm gonna do a quick candling of the rest of the 4 that haven't hatched yet and see if we have more than one, but I know we have one chick.
And you guys were with us when we turned this old hay wagon into our pasture eggmobile.
Always going to shut off one side or the other, and so it's just a lot easier to build as a flat roof. But other than that, we did get an automatic chicken coop door, so we don't have to come out here every morning and every evening to make sure they're all.
And you guys were with us for 5 or 6 videos when we pastured raised 200 Cornish cross meat chickens.
And this is kind of a game changer here. But we'll see you out of the chicken tractors. We have all roughly 200 in here. We'll have a pretty good account once we get them all set up. We're gonna start out putting 60 in each one, and then we'll fill in till it's even. But I got the feeders, 4 feeders hung up. We're gonna set you up, and it's gonna take 2 of us here to start wrangling chickens. Got them all in there. There's 62 in this one, 63 and 63.
And you've been with us through all the Longhorn videos.
Hey, cows, come on, cows. There we go. Once one comes, they all come. Mama cows will start, and then all their calves will come with them. Hey, cows, come on, cows. Don't blow away. Oh man. Love is in the air.
You were even with us when little Steve came into the world. You were with us when we built the Millennium Sparrow.
Me be able to straighten my back when I walk, because you know, whenever you do heavy lifting, you want to do all lower back, no legs. That was a joke. Don't do that. So just like that, I can pick it up 3 or 4 inches off the ground. I can walk this whole thing back. There you go. But I got 100 yards to go, so I'm going to use the tractor.
You were with us when we used the old 6-row planter, planted 10 acres of sunflowers.
You can just stand out here and you can hear the bees just buzzing by. But the peak day for these sunflowers were on Saturday. They were really pretty on Saturday. But as you can tell, like out in here, some of those are starting to kind of wilt and turn down. So some of them are looking a little bit more sad.
You were with us when we got rid of our old breeder pens. And you were with us when we built these 8 awesome brand new breeder pens.
The night is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Escape is time.
And you guys were with us through bird flu.
The test results came back positive.
It's gonna be my last morning listening to these annoying bastards.
A lot of you guys found us because of those videos, and a lot of you guys have stayed around since those videos. And the outpouring of support through our hardest time has been overwhelming, and we want to truly thank each and every one of you for all the kind words you guys have given. It truly does mean a lot. We're thankful we still get to listen to roosters crow, and we still get to make videos for you guys. And we just want to say thank you. from the bottom of our hearts. The last year has been nothing but a blessing.
It's been awesome.
We've accomplished so much. We've met so many great people. You know, a big thank you to, you know, Daniel and DJ at Arms Family Homestead, the Eddy family, Paragon Ridge, Fire and Ferment, Kona SVT, or Kona Blue. There's a number of channels that have supported us along the way and helped us grow.
Yep.
And we're beyond thankful for those people and the opportunities they've given us. But first and foremost, a huge thank you to you guys. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be here where we are today. And the most exciting part of this whole process is we're only a year in. What can we accomplish in 5 years, 10 years, 15 years? Who knows? But we're here for you guys, and we're here to show you guys the uncut, raw farm life. If you learn anything from our videos, we don't like to edit, we don't like to cut, we don't like to add fluff, we don't like to make clickbait titles. We just want to bring real life, what's happening here on the farm, and make it as educational as possible for you guys to hopefully learn something on your small farm journey, or even just finding some entertainment in the evenings. So, anything else you want to add?
Nope, thank you. It's been
Yeah.
great. It's been fun. It's been real.
Big things coming.
Yeah.
Much anticipated for the future of 5 Acre Farms is our website. So here in the next couple weeks, we're going to have our website finally live with a bunch of shirt options and other things that you guys might like.
Hopefully.
So I'm going to talk about a couple of the shirt designs. So hopefully you guys are excited about them. If there's one in particular you really like, let us know down in the comments below, and we'll make sure to have it on the website. So our very first shirt here is our OG gray shirt with the black logo on the back and the logo on the front. Our next shirt is this greenish women's shirt, really, with a Faverall, a Polish, Longhorns, sunflower, our logo. That one comes in both option colors. Then you guys wanted a bird flu video, so
Bird flu shirt.
bird flu shirt. Sorry, here's one. And then our silky shirts, we have a red, gray, both with the silky and a new 5 Acre Farm logo. So hopefully you guys like those. Those are on the front. Then this one is a greenish shirt with a different logo on the back and a small logo on the front. This one's a blue one with the logo on the front. And then our favorite, which is the green with the egg logo on the back, a black one with the egg logo on the back, a purple one with an egg logo on the front, and then one of you guys suggested this shirt, so we thought we'd throw it in there. It says, "It's better to live with the pigs than die of bird flu," and it has our 3 surviving chickens that have been hanging out with the pigs. So if you guys like those shirts, comment down below which one you guys like. We plan on having most of those on our website, along with candles and freshies and
A few other things.
a few other things.
We have another
knickknacks.
shirt design too.
Yeah.
It's
So,
just from somebody else.
oh yeah, that one will be exciting. But you guys know the deal. We love you guys, and when we say it, we mean it. Because without you guys, we wouldn't be where we are today. And we truly do mean it. So we do love you guys, each and every one of you guys watching. Thank you for the support over this last year. And like always, don't haggle with your egg supplier. Buy your chicks local, and we'll see you guys on the next one.